What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Paws from InternetMarketingGym.com. Today, I'm gonna go over something I've been doing wrong for the past couple of months. Something to do with Facebook marketing. You see, I've been posting to these different groups in a very bad way that's giving me very little engagement. But now I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it correctly. This is what I call the no-shoe method. The no-shoe method. So check out this video in its entirety. Okay, so here's the reason why I call this the no-shoe method. Think of Facebook as a house or as a home, okay? Here in Japan, when you walk into a home or a house, you got to take off your shoes. No shoes allowed. No shoe method, okay? We don't want you to bring the stuff from outside into the house. Facebook is the same way. They don't really want links pointing out of Facebook. Facebook wants people to be in Facebook as long as possible, okay? They don't want links from YouTube. They don't want links from your blog or website, okay? You will be seen more, okay? The Facebook algorithm will treat your content better if you keep it in-house. So there are some exceptions to this rule. So let's say we're on a promotion thread. Right here you see a promotion thread, for example. They want you to post tribes and Pinterest on Thursday, blah, blah, blah. In this situation, just use the same Facebook tool that I've given you. If you don't have this tool, by the way, just go to InternetMarketingGym.com. You can get this for free. You just use this little tool here. Not this one, wrong tool. Cancel that. Like I was saying, when it comes to these types of content promo threads, feel free to use my plugin, my Google Chrome extension here that will let you save these promotional groups, and it'll notify you when you can promote in those groups, and it'll save your content. So in that situation, just copy off of this piece of free software and then just paste it in here, just like that. Okay, that's the way you want to do it if it's a thread, a promotion thread, okay? But if they allow you, if the Facebook group allows you to actually promote on the wall, okay, on the wall here, lets you post right here, do not, under any circumstance, just plop your link and your video and text in here. No. What you want to do to increase visibility to your content is go to your Facebook page, your niche page, upload the video to your page, upload the link to your page, and then, and only then, if you're allowed, I'm going to give you a little demonstration. And then what you want to do is click the share button on the Facebook post you created within your page, and you want to click share to page. But there's a little twist here. Check this out. Are you watching carefully? Are you watching carefully? No, what you're going to do is change this. And instead of page, you're going to click this button here and go to share in a group. Okay. For example, I'm gonna put in my internet marketing gym. It's a little slow on my computer today. I don't know why. And then here I'm gonna write something that explains this video. Learn how to find local businesses that will want your digital solutions. Okay. This way, okay, posting this way will make your content more visible, okay? So you're gonna post like this, okay? Now, if we were to go to my Facebook group, let me show you right quick. Now if I go to my Facebook group, any day now, you're gonna see the content will appear in the Facebook format. If this ever decides to load, okay, like that. See? Just like that. And that's the tip for today. Okay, if you're allowed to post in a Facebook group within the timeline, within the actual wall, post it via your page and not directly. Don't just plop some links and videos like that. Okay, you want to do it from your page. This is Ike Paz, and I'll talk to you later. Ciao. Okay, now that you know how to do that and you like this channel, please subscribe. Thank you.
Ay, 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 ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando.